Alright guys, I have another video to do in my long string of videos that I'm doing. I forgot I had these. I just got in like 2 days ago. My Target beauty boxes. And you've probably seen me do videos on these. Target does these releases monthly where you have to jump on them within a day or two of when they come out, and they put on anywhere from 1 to 3 boxes, usually on average 1, sometimes 2 boxes a month, and they have beauty products in them. Sometimes they're themed like mask ones, sometimes they are just, you know, regular beauty products, and they're $7 shipped. So they tend to be one of my most favorite boxes just because I find a lot of useful stuff. It's only $7. It's Target. You can't go wrong with it. So I had opened these up, but I hadn't really played with these, which is kind of unusual for me. But I thought I'd go over them. So the first one here, they both have like these pretty flower themes. This one I think is the mask one just because it feels lighter. And so this one says, hello, quench and glow. So this talks about after the fun and the sun, let's do some hydrating masks. And the thing about Target boxes that are really cool is, so you spend $7 and then they give you a $3 off coupon. And you can use that online or in the store on beauty products or hair products. And so basically if you use it, you're effectively not, you're spending like $4. So it's a good deal. I generally just love these boxes and I feel like they're worth their money. And then they give you like a little handout about these. Sometimes I'll go and look up the prices. I didn't do it this time, unfortunately. I don't have enough time. They always come wrapped with some sort of paper. And I'm just going to go over these. So this is the Acure brand Welcome to Skin Wellness Brightly Brightening Biocellulose Mask. This has nicotinamide and kale. It's supposed to be 100% vegan. I do like this brand. I have a bunch of other stuff in this brand. And this has vitamin C, kale, and cucumber. I kind of have to be a little careful with vitamin C. I think it's okay in masks. In lotions, I tend to break out. And yeah, so this will be interesting. So you're supposed to put this on, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then discard and massage the elixir into your skin. So there's one. The next one here is the Miss Spa Energizing Awake and Invigorate Facial Sheet Mask. So this is free of everything like parabens, dyes, all that. And you're supposed to put this on, wait 20 minutes, and then take it off. So this is a energizing facial mask with sodium hyaluronate. I love me some sodium hyaluronate. I find that that's a molecule that helps get all the moisture to your skin, and it absorbs like some high number or percentage above and beyond its size of moisture. So I am a big fan of hyaluronate. So yeah, this is supposed to help bring moisture and decrease stress into your skin, and their tip is exactly what they say on the back. So that's that one. Alright, so the next one here is the Mask Bar Rose Gold Foil Peel Off Mask. And this one is apply a thin layer of foil peel off mask onto cleansed skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 masks until mask becomes completely dry, and then peel off from outer edges and rinse off with warm water and facial toner. So that's interesting. I love me some peel off masks. This is supposed to have natural fruits. So it has raspberry fruit extract, macadamian seed oil, and anise fruit extract. Anise, I think, is an absinthe. Just FYI, it's just a random fact that I know. You go to Greece, they have anise in all their candies. I think it's also what makes that licorice flavor. So this is really, really, really intriguing to me. I'll have to try this out and put a picture up on like my my Instagram account or my Facebook account just so you guys can see. So it's supposed to, you're supposed to use it like a toner afterwards. It's supposed to help lock in everything. Alright, the next one is the Finland Lumen Hydrating Recovery Aerating Gel Mask for all types. It's a little tiny packet. I mean, it is itty bitty. This one's like huge. I feel like you could get a couple uses out of this. This one's little, probably just one use. I am using their eye gel right now, which is actually really nice. Like, I wasn't too sure about it. I got it in a Glossy Box a long time ago. I'll have to link it below, and I really do like the product. I'm not a huge gel cream gel type person for things, but it's doing a nice job. So I've been very happy with this brand. So this is an Airy water gel formula, and you're supposed to apply a thin layer and then let it sit overnight. So this is more like a hydrating sleep mask, or like an extra firm mask to wear overnight. So that'll be interesting. I find their products are non-irritating, which is really, really nice. Let's see if they have anything. It's all in a different language. Finnish. I'm assuming that's Finnish. It has water in it, cloudberry, birch juice, hyaluronic acid, which is awesome. The only thing that would be nice is if this was in, like, we got more than one of these. And then the final thing here is this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Desmoothing Mask of Marula Oil. I think I got another one of these, a slightly different one from this brand, and I have yet to use it because I have some other hair masks that I'm working through from the Target box. And this one, I mean, this is a lot. This will probably do at least 2, maybe 3 applications for my hair. So you're supposed to apply, cover with a shower cap, and then, yeah. It's supposed to help with frizziness. You're supposed to leave it on for 3 to 4 minutes and then wash, and do it once a week instead of conditioner. So I know this brand isn't very expensive. I think when I had done one of these previous, this was only worth like 30 some odd cents. I'm imagining this is worth maybe $1. But most sheet masks range between $2 and $3, some up higher. So if you imagine these are like $1 or $2, you've made your amount on here. I don't think this is like exorbitantly high value for what you get. But I like it, and I think you make back what you put into it, so I don't feel too gypped by this. I wasn't as excited as some of the other Target boxes. I thought their last facial mask one was a little bit better than this one. I thought that it kind of had more interesting masks in it, but this is still nice. Not bad. I'll have to do a cost breakdown and see. Maybe if I find that I was wrong and this wasn't worth the money, I'll let you guys know. But overall, happy with this. All right, so this is the other one. I can tell because it's heavier. This is their typical September Beauty. Is it September? August? September. Yeah, September Beauty. And it has that. It says Hello Beauty Reboot. This is supposed to be Summer Will Miss You, but here's time to reboot our beauty routine for autumn. And tag us at hashtag Target Beauty or Target Beauty Box. Again, the $3 off, and then the little things about the products. As always, they give you this. Now, this is interesting, guys. These this time came with all these little things over here, which I thought was interesting. I'll go over what that is. Okay, so the first product here is the Olay Micropolishing Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow. This is crushed ginger and citrus. So this is a cleanser. And then they have these little, they're called the grippers. So somebody sat and put these things on every single one of these products. They must have had a bunch of these leak all over the place. On every single one of these liquid bottles that came in this box. Which I think is kind of cool. I mean, this is what it is. They put this on every single one. So this is 1 fluid ounce, and you're supposed to massage it on the wet face and rinse. And it's supposed to, yeah, basically supposed to shrink pores and increase blood circulation. So let's see. Oh, it smells really good. So it's just kind of I'm just going to show you guys a little bit here. Just like a creamy. Smells really good. I'm not going to use it right now, but yeah. I have no problem with Olay products. I tend to find that they're decently good. Alright, next product here is, this is a repeat, and I normally would be upset, but I actually really liked this product before, and it's been a couple months since the repeat. So I'm not upset, and I will use it because I used up the last one already, and then the next one sends it. But they have done this a lot, so this might bother some people. This is the Restore and Refresh Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo by OGX. I think a full size of this is like $7 or $8. It's not very expensive, but this is a nice Nice one. In fact, I can't find it in full size. It's out of stock everywhere. I keep looking. But this sample size is like $2, I think, or $3. It's not very much. But this is a really nice one. It has coconut oil in it, so if you have drier hair like I do, I actually find this one really nice. It smells really good. It doesn't leave a lot of like white powder behind, and it is a nice sample size. But we did get this, I want to say like June or May, so it wasn't that long ago. And then we got one last month or maybe month before last. It was another coconut one by Hask that I absolutely love so much that I bought a full size of it. But this is a repeat item. Just love it, hate it. I know I was pretty harsh on the Walmart box about repeat items, but this is a monthly thing and I knew it buying it, so I'm not as upset about it. All right, next product is the Welleda Wild Rose Creamy Body Wash. Again, it has one of these little gripper things. I'm amazed someone sat down and put these gripper things on all of these. Like, I haven't heard any complaints from people saying that these things leak everywhere, but they must have gotten complaints about it. Oh, it smells like, definitely smells like rose. Oh, actually it has, oh, what is that smell? It's less rose and more of a, oh, there's another scent to this that I'm not familiar with. It's like a, there's a brand, and I'm blanking on the name of the brand. My roommate in college used to use this brand all the time, and I can't think of it. Oh, I'll think of it later. Anyway, it's got more of like an earthy, like woodsy smell. It really doesn't have a lot of rose scent to it, and it just reminds me of that brand, and I'll think of it later, probably when I'm not videoing. And it's one of those that you either love or you hate. I don't mind it. It kind of grew on me after being, you know, living with my roommate and having the smell so long. But this has like lactic acid in it and rose seed oil and sesame seed oil. Let me see if they say anything more on this. I'd never heard of this brand. Yeah, it's just a moisture-rich body wash. And it says it has essential oils. So something I'm in here, it's like eucalyptus or something. It's a very unique scent. Can't think of what the name of the company is it reminds me of. But anyway, that is a decent size. That's 50 mils. This is a good travel size body wash. All right, next thing here is the Schmidt Charcoal Magnesium Natural Deodorant. I've never tried a natural deodorant. This is it. It smells really good. I'm probably going to take my full-size deodorant on my trip, even though this smells really good, because I don't want to take a travel-size deodorant and get over on my vacation and then find out it doesn't work, or that I'm allergic to it. So I'm probably not going to take this, but this is kind of cool. I've been wanting to try a natural deodorant to see if it works, you know, just because there's all this hype behind it. But this is Schmidt's Natural Charcoal Magnesium Deodorant. It helps absorb wetness and neutralize odor. So we'll see. I'll have to give this a try and get back with you guys because I'm very curious about this. And I've been seeing natural deodorants on other things and kind of wanting to try it out. All right, next thing is the Nivea Shea Daily Moisturizer. This is for dry skin. Again, it has one of these, the gripper as they call them. Just instantly impressed. I don't know, Target just outdoes themselves most days. Oh goodness, these things they're different sizes too. Okay. So let's try a little bit of this. This is a nice sample size, 2.5 ounces. Doesn't have a lot of smell to it. I'm not a huge lotion person. I don't wear a lot of lotion outside of my face just because, I don't know, I have dry skin. I'm just lazy. Oh, it smells good. It does have a smell now that you rub it in. It's just a very soft, like soapy scent. I do like Nivea products. I will probably let my daughter use this. She loves lotion. But yeah, that's not bad. I am not unhappy. This is a nice sample size. I mean, you get a lot of stuff out of this. So it has shea butter, and then it talks about like how it works. All right, next thing here is the, oh, this is so cute. This is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. This is really tiny, guys. This is 0.061 fluid ounces. Looks like a little perfume packet. Like, look how little that is. missed 12 to 15 inches from the face. I'm not sure why it's such a tiny, tiny, tiny little sample. It's supposed to put between your skincare and your foundation for you to do your glow. Let's see. I don't even know how to use this. Whoa. Whoa. It's hard to tell where this is getting focused. There's probably only a few spurts. It smells good. I can't really focus it because it's so little. But yeah, it's adorable. I kind of feel like they should have gotten a slightly bigger one, but I can't complain. I feel like the value is already there and I haven't even gotten through everything in this box. Alright, and then the final thing, which I actually already have some of this, and I'm not my favorite, and it may just be me. I have a full size of one of these, so I'll probably pass this along maybe to my mom or put it in a giveaway. It's not a horrible product. I don't know if it's me and I don't do well with primers. I do like the L'Oreal Voluminous brand for their mascara. I've used their mascara and I like it. I'm just going to show you guys, but I'm not actually going to use this. So this is the wand and it goes on. I just find that, I don't know, primers kind of make my eyelashes look a little spidery. So I don't know. I'll make a decision if I give this away to somebody or pass it on to my mother. But still, I don't think it's bad. It's good. I kind of wish I had gotten this instead of buying a full-size one to try. The full size was like $7 or something. So it would have been really nice to have tried out a sample size to realize that I didn't need to spend my money on it. So anyway, this is what we get. And I can't even hold all of it because there's so many products. So these are all the products. So for $7 with a $3 coupon, I am still incredibly happy. Yes, the little mister is tiny. Yes, there is a repeat product. And yes, I'm not a big fan of this. And somebody complained that there was not enough makeup products in it. I don't mind. Because honestly, I get so many other makeup products in, like my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy and all that other stuff, that from Target it's kind of more fun to get like the lotions and the hair stuff and all of that, because I don't necessarily want to spend a fortune on that kind of stuff. And so it's really fun to sample the stuff that you can get there because I go to Target all the time. So I thought this was a big hit. You know, even with a few little misses. The mask one, I think it was a kind of a break even for me. But I knew what I was getting ahead of time. I like these boxes. They're still one of my most favorite ones. I'm still going to keep buying these. I still think Target is blowing these out of the water. Maybe tell me what you think. Maybe other people don't feel the same way, but I don't know. You can't beat it. $7 makes me happy. It's like my happy place. So anyway, thanks guys. As always, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave me some comments. Follow me on social media. Thanks guys.